Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, something went wrong. The most used error message ever since it's pretty vague. You don't even know what's happening there. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to fix this something went wrong in Garmin Connect app and see what it actually means. Step by step, let's get started. So for what it usually means. This vague error usually points to one of three things. It may be a recent app update broke something, or a corrupted data in a specific activity. A server-side issues on Garmin's end as well. So about the fixes, we're gonna go all the way and try to look for any update considering our app. For example, we are on Android here, all the way to Play Store. Search bar, we're gonna go and look for this Garmin Connect mobile app. So if you can see any update version available, just tap it, wait a couple seconds, then you can use your app. There is also this what's new, last updated with the bug fixes and performance improvements in this version of Garmin Connect, tracking your health and fitness whatsoever. They gonna give you every detail about the update you are basically going to download, so don't even worry about it. Then you can try and force quit and reopen your app. So if it happens when viewing a specific activity, that activity file may be corrupted. So on desktop, try downloading and repairing it with like a fetch file viewer tools or whatsoever. As for the best option, like if nothing works, you can try and uninstall all Garmin apps, included Connect, Messenger, IQ and all of this. Then restart your phone and reinstall only Connect. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.